Good morning. It's middle of August. Finally got some cool weather, so I figured why not take the boys camping. We're gonna do some primitive camping in the wilderness of Pennsylvania. When I booked this site, it said four-wheel drive is usually required to access the site. Cell phone service is limited and bears frequent the area. So I figured why not take the boys for my first time alone in the wilderness. So come along with us as we go spend 24 hours in the wilderness of Pennsylvania. Yo, get out of here. Get out of here. Well, this little poop already escaped outside, so this is gonna be fun. The van's all loaded up. Gonna load the boys up. One second, buddy. We are. Let's come here, talk to the camera. Hey, where are we going?
I gotta talk to the camera.
What do you say? Where are we going next? We're gonna run to over here. Come here. Come here. Where are we going next? So we're gonna go to Walmart, get some supplies, and then we're all go. Where are we going?
Camping.
Camping. What do you say?
Roll, baby.
Let's roll, baby.
Roll, baby. Roll, baby. Roll, baby.
We are officially off. A little nervous for this trip. I'm not sure how it's gonna go. It is my two toddlers and just myself. And it's the first time that we will be camping in the van. So. Well, things are going swimmingly. Turn around for 30 seconds, and here is Owen. I'm on the front dash of the van. Well, my microphone died. We're about 30 minutes away from our campsite for the night when the boys started to get a little fussy. So we pulled over at the parking lot for a trailhead, had some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, and stretched our legs for a little bit. Where we at, Mace?
On top campsite day.
Yeah, what are we doing right now?
It's bike time.
It's bike time. All right, first task is get the boys' bikes out so they can go ride some bikes and have some fun. We got camp set up just a little bit. Jason's obsessed with going for a bike ride, and Owen is obsessed with climbing in the fire pit. But so far, all is good. Camp is all set up, and we're going to do some exploring. Mason right now is obsessed with his bike. I got Owen in the carry behind. I'm just enjoying being outside in nature. It's such a weird phenomenon that once you get outside in the middle of the woods, all your stress and worries just go away. You're just gonna be present at the current moment of time. And enjoy life.
Hold down, hold down, hold down.
Mason can do hard things.
I can't.
Can you lift it up a little bit? Here, lift the chair, reach back in the back. Very much. And lift up just a little bit. Oh, here. All right, Daddy, help. Keep walking. Keep going. You almost got it, buddy. You are all so close.
It's tight.
Just keep walking. It'll fall away. It'll come away.
Come
Yeah, keep walking. You can do it. Oh, strong work, brah. Give me some pin. Noggin. Boink. The weather today is just absolutely perfect. It's the middle of August right now. We've had, for the past couple weeks, 80, 90-degree days. Today, I think the high is going to be 71. Going down to 50 degrees tonight. This is perfect camping weather. All right, watch your brother. Oopsie, hold on. Come on, Owen. Get out of there. Get out of there. Come here, you little poop. I was just talking about how the weather was absolutely beautiful. And now it's gotten cloudy and it is starting to rain. I know, we're not happy about it, are we? Uh-oh. Hopefully, just a quick shower and blows over. Looks just as quickly as I got everything cleaned up, it is stopping, the rain's stopping already. But we're gonna go inside, maybe get a little snack and chill out for a little bit. Do you guys want to see what Owen's favorite thing to do is while camping? Climbing in the fire pit. So on the way in, we drove over a little creek, and since we've gotten here, Mason's been asking to go to the pond and lake, as he calls it. Thought it was gonna be too far of a walk, but pulled it up on Google Maps, and it says it's about a 6-minute walk to get there. So we're gonna give it a shot, see if Mason can go get his feetsies wet, as he likes to call it. When I booked this site, I was kind of hopeful that we might see some wildlife, maybe some deer, or even a bear, because of how remote we are in the Delaware State Forrest here. But with these two toddlers making all of the noises, I don't think there's any way that we're going to see any deer or even a bear. Yeah, you guys are loud. That ended up being a little bit of a fail. Only probably a 6-minute walk, just like Google said, but the creek there was not the one that I was thinking of when we drove over. It was pretty small. And I got a little fussy because I wouldn't let him explore, but I really don't want to get both boys completely soaking wet and have to get them changed inside the van. So we're gonna head back to the van now and eat some dinner because we are all starting to get hungry. Just getting back from our hike and just admiring our van here. It still blows my mind that we're able to purchase this van. Okay, stand by. So back to what I was saying before we got interrupted by a potty break. Was such a surreal feeling. I've dreamed of purchasing a van and going out in the middle of the woods just hanging out with the boys for 6, 8 months now. Never thought this moment would come to fruition, but it has. Here we are. We have Owen playing in the fire pit, getting completely covered in soot. And Mason just playing with rocks and his cars. And just relaxing and peaceful. Such an awesome feeling. And my microphone died again. But for dinner, we're keeping it simple, and we just heated up some chicken nuggets in the microwave. So much for the nice weather that we were supposed to have this weekend. When I checked the forecast last night, I think it was like 10 or 15% chance of rain. Of course, right in the middle of dinner, it starts to pour. So thankfully, the picnic table is underneath these trees here. But I had to run around and clean up all the toys, put the bikes away so I don't get super wet. And of course, the chicken nuggets weren't enough for the boys, so now we've moved on to Uncrustables for dinner. Are they yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye. Bye.
Say goodnight.
Good night. Have a good nap.
Good night. You're going to sleep. Alright guys, well. Well, 30 minutes later, we got the van converted to bed mode. We got the boys sleeping down here. Let's see how this goes. It's a little after 7. They only had a quick short nap on the drive. So, let's see how this goes. See you guys in the morning.
I want to go play in the camper van.
We are playing in the camper van. So, 1 hour. We're trying to get the boys down.
Yeah.
Not even close. They're falling asleep. If not further from getting to sleep than when we first started. So.
And Mason, someone go play in the camper van.
Yeah, you want to play in the camper van.
I want to play in the camper van.
Good morning. Just after 7:30. Boys slept pretty good last night for the first time in the van on the Groove Lounge here. Took them probably an hour and a half to fall asleep, and a dozen or 2 dozen times of singing Twinkle Twinkle Little Star and Wheels on the Bus. But once they fell asleep, they stayed asleep and slept till about 7. Right now it's like 45 degrees out. We have no sweatshirts, but no pants or anything.
I want to go outside.
Yeah. So we're just gonna hang out here for a little bit and get ready and go explore.
I got camera.
Yep. So of course we're doing Mason's favorite thing first thing this morning, riding bikes.
Yeah.
Up the campsite here, then we're gonna go over and look for a pond or creek for Mason to go explore on. Before we leave, we're just gonna found some trash around here, so we're gonna go pick up all the trash and then head on out. We just did a quick little drive to a trailhead. Going to go for just a short hike and then call it quits and head home. Wraps up this week's video. So our first time solo camping alone in the woods with my 2 toddler boys. So see you next week.
See you next week.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah.
Yep. Passed out already. Only 20 minutes in the drive back home. Come here. We get one more picture.
Yeah.
Can I see your surprise face?
I did that.
All right, let's get out of here, boys.